we're going to be covering is the for each loop in ES6, and how does that differ from for in, for off, and also from the regular for loop when we're going through to cycle over an array. So let's see, we have this array that is called employees, right? And I'm gonna give it some names. Doesn't matter what it is. It could be Peter, it could be James, and also it could be, I don't know, Brian. Okay, what I could do right here is go and do the regular for loop and say let I equal 0, while I is less than employee's length, right? The regular for loop. I plus plus to increment it, and then we'll go and we'll say console.log, and then we go over all the employees. If I refresh, I get all the names out. Okay, so this is a regular for loop. If I want to do the same thing by using ES6, I could, by using forEach, I could come over here and say employees forEach. Okay, then I get the value. Console.log, and I get the value out. Let's see what we get here. And I get the same result. Okay, now in here I could also come over here and say, let's do the in to see what we get. I could say for if I do that, I'll get the index. That's why I put the I for index. What about if I want to get the value? Well, if you want to get the value, then you use of instead. So you come over here, and what you would do is say, let's say value, and then you do of. Okay, and let's print that value. Let me erase this, and then I get the value. Okay, if you want to get the same result by using the for each loop, what you do is, let's do this. What you do in that case is you come over here and you say the value goes first and then the index. Okay, so you could say index value, and what you will get is 0 Peter, 1 James, 2 Brian, because it's going over here. It has these two arguments, and then this is the value and this is the index, and that's all. It's pretty simple. I hope you guys understood this tutorial, and have a wonderful day. I'll see you soon.